just gonna start. I suck at this so much. So much. The suckiness levels are over 9,000.
We get it, Elu, you're gay. Pause.
So how many haters do you think we're gonna get in the comments?
5,000! My haters are over 9,000.
No, I did that wrong. You know, this is supposed to be the easiest part of it, but I suck at it, like the worst out of everything.
Because you're mentally challenged.
Difficult things for me are easy, per se, and things that are supposed to be hard are,
For normal people.
I can't talk fluently while doing this.
Your brain's just like, no!
Like every word that comes through my mind is drowned out by the thought of the Rubik's Cube.
You're like, do I go left?
I think I'm on track to beat my record of 4 minutes and 15 seconds. I need to stop talking.
I saw like a piece of feather or something drifting off, and I almost went, ah! Look at its majesticness.
A piece of feather.
Or like a dust particle, I don't know.
Turn down. Okay, I'm on the last part. And I am nearly done.
You're like, shit. Where did I go wrong?
That's exactly what I was thinking.
Oh, snap. Show me all the sides. Snap.
I didn't start my timer, so we'll have to look at that to figure out how long it is. So
3 minutes.
Exactly 3 minutes?
3 minutes and 15 seconds now. Make it less than 3:15. Bam! World record!
What you know?
Break something. Okay.
This is awkward.
Say bye.
Bye.